There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube. I forgot to put my little headphone thing in here. Let's see. Hope you can hear me. Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Now try this again. Hello YouTube. It's me again. I'm playing around with this thing for now. Tonight it's quiet. What I want to do is I want to take it apart because these bars got a little bit of rusty crap on it. So I'm thinking maybe I can do something quiet and clean this up somehow. One of the things I'd like to do, get this off here if I can. There's a little piece of something holding it in there. Take this bar off here. And this, I think, unscrews. I think it unscrews. Or maybe it doesn't. Would be nice if it did. Not sure how the hell I get it off here, but the other one's unscrew. What does this do? Let's see. It's just a hole in there. Well, anyway, this bar is not too bad on it. I'll put this back on. I'm going to attempt to take that apart, take all the screws out. And I would like to clean up this mess on here. See, a little screw, a couple of washers, and that. And maybe, just maybe, I can get this off here. I think there's a little, like some type of lock washer or something in here. What do you call those things? Knives. I forget what it's called. Little, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. A little C clamp in there. I know it's locked in there. That's definitely for sure. But I'll take that apart, cleaned up. I'll polish all this off. I should be able to get it clean. This, I'm not sure if I should submerge this in the vapor rust. Like, look, that's got rust all over it. Let me turn the light on. Hold on. See, this has got rust all over it. This has got a, I don't know if you can see that, but a bit of rust on it. A little rusty. I want to clean it. This one's got a bit of oxidation turd all over it. Even this thing's got a little rust on it. I want to clean this up a little because it kind of gets stuck. Works good though. And this, maybe I should vapor rust this. Yeah, that might be a good idea. And polish it. I need a small basket though. I'm gonna get a small basket, but I would like to polish this thing because why the hell not, right? Polish, polish, polish. So anyway, I'm gonna clean this up and show you what I'm gonna do. So stay right there and keep watching. Hello YouTube, hey, it's me again. I gave it a nice polish. See? Nice little polish up there. I don't know if you can see it, but put on the buffer and gave it a little bit of a shine. Just like new. So then I can put that on there. Anyway, that's the first part. I'll polish up the next one second. This next part, you can see that has a little bit of patina. You can see it, but yeah, it's a little bit of crud on there. Yeah, you can see it perfectly, but yeah, I'm gonna polish this part too. Give it some shine, shimmer and shine. Hello YouTube. I did a little bit of polishing, and this is the end result. I don't know if you can see it very well, but I polished it up nice and shiny. Polished the rod here. Didn't do a great job on this part, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was before. See, it's nice and shiny. I just got to do something about the base now. The base, I might just use a wire brush grinder, wire brush it and paint it black in my hand, so it looks nice. And then, but this base has been abused. Look at it, it's like used and abused. The other one's really nicer, but it says Jim CC on it. Well, Jim CC, thank you for the base. Hope you did a lot of good stuff on it. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll do some more work on this and some other stuff soon. Enjoy. Where the hell's this thing? There we go.